Humanoid robots are the next and leading step in the field of robotics, which opens up many limitless possibilities. Many countries are striving to create ultra-realistic robots that will help in various areas of life. Developed Asian countries such as China, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, and Japan, along with the United States, are competing in the production of modern, advanced intelligent robots. According to the plans of these countries, mass production of humanoid robots should be established by 2025. However, we only have big ambitions without basic details, commented Bloomberg. Don't forget, your likes and subscriptions give me quality content. Let's start with the sensational news from China about entire robot factories. China itself is associated with the center of all technologies at the present time, and the Asian partners are not going to give up their positions, and they have planned mass production of advanced humanoid robots. A whole arms race in robotics has begun in advanced countries, and a recent video shot at a robot factory in China shocked the whole world. The footage shows extremely realistic blanks, fragments of bodies, limbs, heads of robots. Many move and they reproduce human movements quite reliably. The abundance of humanoid forms in the video is deliberately frightening. You won't find anything like this in reality. X-Robots used the former Future Science and Technology Museum in Dalian to create an interactive exhibit. It is both a demonstration of commercial technology and the potential that robotics has achieved. Realistic-looking skin, authentic gestures, imitation of facial expressions. This is not yet everyday life. Such robots are created in single copies as technology demonstrators. They have no practical application, but the components from which they consist, as well as the technology for their manufacture, are precisely the main value. Using these robots as an example, X-Robots shows what devices it can offer customers and how its creations can replace living people in some cases. Moreover, the trick is not immediately recognized. In addition, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology stated that robots will definitely change the world, and by 2025, the product will reach an advanced level in mass production. The document says that robots will become a breakthrough product after smartphones, computers, and vehicles, focusing on new energy sources. They will be able to repeat human facial expressions, reading them from their owner. For now, we can be content with beautiful ambitions, without clear details. The Chinese developer Unitree showed a humanoid robot worth $16,000, which somewhat resembles the new generation Atlas from Boston Dynamics, introduced in April 2024. Robot weight Unitree G, one ranges from 35 to 43 kilograms, which depends on the model, in our case G1 and G1 EDU. In the video, a man lifts a humanoid robot in a folded state with his bare hands. The height of the car is 127 centimeters and does not change in any way depending on the model, and the running speed is impressive and equal to 2 meters per second. And here are the first elements similar to Atlas 2.0. These are the presence of joints, which give this model greater flexibility and mobility, due to which he can bend back in the pelvic area and touch his head to the floor. Depending on the model, the robot may have 23 or 43 joints. He will be a great yoga trainer. Little is known about his physical attributes, but the roller skates show how easily he can chop walnuts with his hands, break glass bottles, and operate a frying pan like a real chef. G1 is equipped depth camera and 3D LiDAR. The battery is lithium and will last about 2 hours on one charge, supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, powered by the large Unifo LM model, trained him using methods simulation training Andrain for cement learning. Astrobot is a Chinese startup founded in 2022 in Shenzhen, and the website notes that it took about a year to develop the robot. In the presentation video, the humanoid quickly and accurately rearranges objects on the table. The speed of the movements is enough to pull the tablecloth out from under the glasses of wine without dropping any of them. Astrobot S1 can make your home perfectly clean and cozy without requiring any effort from you. From vacuuming dust to slicing cucumbers, there's no job that the Astrobot S1 can't handle. Forget about folding laundry or opening heavy bottles. Leave it to your little helper, who will do everything with an enthusiasm that surpasses your own. Not only light household tasks are in the Astrobot S1 arsenal. It can lift objects weighing up to 10 kilograms, ideal for those who are tired of carrying heavy purchases. While Astrobot S1's walking capabilities may remain questionable, its ability to throw objects at speeds of up to 10 meters per second ensures that even the most difficult tasks are completed with ease and speed. The S1 is expected to go on sale later this year. However, it is not yet clear how well the robot copes with moving in space. The video only shows the movements of the upper limbs. And now about the sensational one. The previously mentioned video with realistic robots, I repeat, scared users of social networks to the point of trembling, since humanoid robots, partially covered with skin, are very similar to people. The effectiveness of a viral video lies in the ability to scare us, sending us to the uncanny valley. This causes us discomfort, that very feeling of anxiety in front of a close-to-human, but not quite human artificial being. The company behind it all is XRobots, which specializes in developing efficient and friendly smart tour guide services. Their main task is to create hyper-realistic animatronics for museums, exhibitions, and corporate events. Think of it like a robotic Madame Tussauds museum, complete with 3D scanning technology to create custom mascots and presenters. Thus, the video serves as a reminder of the broader progress taking place in the field of robotics. While XRobots focuses on entertainment, numerous Chinese companies such as Unitree and UB Tech are making significant strides in developing artificially intelligent robotic workers capable of performing real-world tasks. By the way, I can make a video about the UB Tech company, so you can get likes, subscriptions, and opinions on this video. Digit. At the CES 2020 Electronics Exhibition, the American startup Agility Robotics announced that his bipedal robot, Digit, went on sale. The first 2 copies of the robot have already purchased by Ford. It is working on the last stage of delivering goods to customers' homes. Digit is a humanoid robot of average human size. He has it installed later instead of a head and a stereo camera on the torso to track obstacles around. The robot has 2 gripper arms and 2 legs that allow it to climb up and down stairs. The 2-legged robot platform is based on an earlier design by a company called Cassie. Developers recently improved algorithm of platform movements in such a way that the robot was able to simultaneously perform 2 dynamic actions. The robot can carry a load of up to 18 kilograms. The main areas of activity of the device: internal logistics in a warehouse, parcel delivery, telepresence, production control at a factory, inspection monitoring of various infrastructure. By the way, at its Delivering the Future conference in Seattle, Amazon reported that it is beginning to deploy humanoid Digit robots in its fulfillment centers. If the experiment is successful, bipedal robots could eventually replace at least 450,000 employees in the company's warehouses. Agility Robotics CEO Damian Shelton said the cost of the robot is determined individually for each customer, and it is 6 figures, taking into account additional services and programming. The machine will cost $25 per hour. In addition, in the humanoid firmware, it will be prohibited to use any type of weapon, regardless of lethality or lethality. Shelton comments that they will not allow their robot to walk around with lethal or non-lethal weapons of any kind. This clause will be included in the contract with the client when selling the device. You will not be able to fight with Digit, although it is unlikely that he will be able to do anything in combat. Robots, especially humanoids, have been developing very rapidly lately. At Amazon, machines will soon work in warehouses and replace workers. And at Starbucks, they will write our names on cups in a unique handwriting. Sooner or later, everything will change and work will leave people. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to write your opinion about those robots in China. Bye!